Should we go in the snow, buddy? Should we go play in the snow? Well, we got our big snowstorm here in Minnesota. Actually, ended up just being a couple inches. Alfie's having fun in it though. He likes to play in the snow. Don't you, buddy? You gonna make a snow angel or something fun? Well, the animals this morning, a couple of them enjoy the snow maybe a little bit more than the others. You can see in a few of these pictures, we had a few of them out in the snow that weren't bothered. But they've been kind of hanging in the barn today. It just stopped snowing, so maybe they'll venture out. Mr. Baby and Rain both had snow on their backs. You can see the barn is kind of full of the animals right now. Guys, come on, the sun's out there. Hey, Theta. How are you doing, girl, huh? You gonna say hi? The babies are chatting. Mr. Melvin, have you guys jumped on him lately? Come on, here. The babies used to always jump on poor Melvin. Didn't they, Melvin, huh? He still doesn't mind. You're a good uncle or something, whatever we're gonna call you with these little kids, right? You're a good boy, Melvin. That's all I gotta say. It looks like they've been eating the hay and just enjoying the nice warm barn. We got straw in here for everybody. But really, come on, you alpacas, Loki, Bobo. Hey, Bo. Why aren't you outside, huh? He's got some snow on him, which really is a good sign. That means that these guys have great insulation and they're keeping that heat inside. Looks like Bert and Ernie are even kind of just staying on their little perches today. These guys actually have a really nice coat of feathers. They're so soft, but they came off a really hard molt for a 3-year molt for turkeys. That's just normal. But thank goodness they did, and they're nice and warm for the winter now. All right, let's see. Starry, I think Starry's found a bed right there. Who do we have in the piggy section? It looks like we have Wilma and Betty. Looks like Charlie Brown is down in here. Yeah, the pigs like their little area down here for sure. It keeps them nice and warm. Right, Starry? Let's climb up the platform here that we built. And who do we have here? We have Miss Dolly up here. Yeah, and Starry. I know, Starry. You just like to be the center of attention, don't you? Yeah, Dolly is hanging out. Her and Snoopy. Here's a picture of them this morning. It was so cute. Just cuddling. Snoopy, why aren't you up there cuddling with your sister, huh? Why aren't you? Huh, buddy? And of course we have Pebbles scrounging around for any food. Pebs! Hey, Pebs! Are you bothering Melvin? You be nice to him, okay? Yeah, he's trying to just take a nap, but between the goats jumping on him and the pigs coming up to him. Hello, Mr. Baby. Miss Rain. Lucy Loose. Lucy Loose, are you going to talk to me? Lucy. Lucy Loose. Pebs, are you just the annoying little sister today, huh? Are you just the annoying little sister? Pebs. Pebbles. Hello, Pebs. Yeah. You just full of beans? And Oscar, how are you doing, buddy, huh? Well, let's see if any of these guys will go outside. Yeah, maybe I'll get a few of them out here. See, it's nice out here, guys. Come on. Come on out. We might even get a little sunshine. Lucy Loose, are you gonna come up? Come here, Luce. Come here. Come on. Well, it's still a little windy. I guess if I had some sunflower seeds or something, they probably would. Well, last night I got the last 100 bales that we'll need put in the barn. So we've got enough hay now, and we got some straw over here too for bedding. But we got enough hay for the rest of this winter, which is a good feeling. We also packed the big girls' barn full as well. Hey, Miss Honey, how are you doing? Lucy, are you gonna eat some snow? Yeah, is that good? It's like a snow cone. Well, those littles, I guess, aren't too keen about leaving the barn. I don't blame them. Still a little breezy here. Let's go check on the big horses. All right, we got some fresh hay for these guys this morning. Miss Blueberry, how are you doing, huh? How's my Blueberry doing? You gonna give me a nibble? She's got some snow on her too. It's warming up though. Miss Kavala, she doesn't grow a great winter coat, so we do keep her blanketed throughout the winter. And Miss Braga, how are you doing, girl? You've got some snow on you too, huh? And again, that's a great sign. That means they're insulated and their coat's doing what it's supposed to do. Keep them warm underneath there. Right, girl? Well, the auto water is doing what it's supposed to do. You can see the snow around the edges, but that keeps the water nice and unfrozen during the wintertime. All right, well, I just wanted to check in with you guys. Looks like we're gonna have a white Christmas after all, which is great. The farm is completely clean with this fresh sheet of snow. Stay warm wherever you are, and we will see you guys on the next video. We're doing fine here in Minnesota.